I'm standing in the middle of a frozen ocean.
In the Kalahari Desert.
200 miles south of Java.
Here in the South American rainforest.
And here in
Africa.
I've been lucky enough to live through the golden age of natural history filmmaking. I've enjoyed every minute of it.
We can now show life on our planet in entirely new ways. Bring you closer to animals than ever before. And reveal new wildlife dramas for the very first time.
It's impossible not to be impressed by the sheer grandeur, the splendor and power of the natural world.
There's so much more here than we ever imagined.
What an extraordinary creature. We now have a better understanding of the natural world than ever. We know how best to protect it for future generations. I can only hope that we will.